Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Esma from Darsus Lazer channel. Today I present to you traditional Moroccan donuts, also known as fins. This traditional recipe that we like so much and that we taste only during the vacations in Morocco, and which is prepared and sold most of the time by street vendors in the souk and on the beaches. I am sure that after watching this video until the end, you will be able to prepare it yourself. Have a good view! So for the ingredients we have 300 milliliters of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of baker's yeast, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 packet of vanilla sugar and 1 packet of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and finally 4 glasses of flour, which is equivalent to 500 grams of flour. Moving on to preparation. In a recipient, we put 3 glasses of flour, 'We add the water, the egg, we add the baker's yeast, the baking powder and the vanilla sugar, and finally the granulated sugar. We mix the ingredients mentioned above. After doing that, you cover the dough with the plastic wrap and let it rest until it increases in volume. And now we add the oil and the rest of the flour. Then it is kneaded until it becomes a homogeneous dough. You put the yeast mixture into the well and begin to mix with your hand. Then it is divided in two and then it is plated and cut into slices with a glass. Then it's set aside to rise twice, but it doesn't take that long. Then we put heat oil to fry our donuts. But before doing it, use a wooden spoon dipped in oil to mix the dough for 1 minute. Then cover again with the plastic wrap until the dough doubles in size again. Here we go! Your fluffy, yummy Moroccan donuts are ready. Roll them in granulated sugar according to the choice, and bon appetit! I hope you have enjoyed the recipe that you can make easily at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you soon inshallah.